began, a reason for that feeling within.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a week in the life, starting off with a snow day. So as you saw in some clips before, I'm cooking, and if you're from Central America or any Hispanic country, I'm sure you are familiar with, I honestly don't even know what it's called. I guess you can kind of prefer it like huevos rancheros. I grew up eating this my entire life. Egg with tomato and onion, my favorite. So I'm just cooking that for today on our snowy day. So we're starting off this week in the life with making some breakfast, and hopefully tomorrow we don't have a snow day, or maybe we do, who knows at this point. And I'll take you along with me as well. So here we go.
It all feels the same, I swear. Done with what it means I can't bear. Tears start falling from the sky, but I'm not worried. I know I will end up
The Seer of Seers, the great Oz of weather forecasting, Punxsutawney Phil.
Esta es la cabecita y aquí abajo es la grama. Put your groundhog nose on your nose when you're done. Ooh, look at those little groundhog noses. Hello.
I'm here.
So we're going to practice today bigger numbers. Let me see if you know what number this is. What number is this? Marta's showing me with her fingers. 10. But look, what number is it now?
1.
11. Because 11 is 10 plus 1. So that's 11. So today we're going to learn all about the number 11. Can you tell me that? What number are we going to learn about today?
2.
Not 2. Kathy, what number?
11.
Let's let Kathy say it too. Kathy, what number? 11. Very good.
Now let's stomp 11 times.
Stomp 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. So en esa bolsa, yo creo que lo veo. Levántalo. Levanta la bolsa. Pon la bolsa en la cámara. Ay, te frizaste. This is going to be our teen numbers book.
F-O-R, F-O-R, I spell 4, F-O-R.
All right, so that was the word 4.
Ready?
It's time to say goodbye. So give a smile. Smile and wink your eye. It is time to say goodbye to all my friends. Goodbye, groundhog. Bye-bye. If you can hear my voice, clap your hands. If you can hear my voice, clap your hands. Touch your heads. Wiggle your fingers. Ok, deditos, vamos a comenzar a leer la oración. Léanlo conmigo, ok? Here we go. I have a... What is this? Bicycle. Now let's read the next sentence. What's this word? Have a... What is this?
A scooter.
Scooter. Now... All right, we're going to practice writing the word you. Are you ready?
Now mix and fix.
Oh, we gotta fix it.
Word U. Put the letters in the right order.
Look at those letters, they're all mixed up. How do we write U? Let's write it together. Y, O, U. Let me see. Good job. So I'm currently on my little break and I'm just kind of getting things ready for tomorrow, setting up the morning meeting, the journal, all that fun stuff. And I wanted to show you guys something that I am purchasing, which is from Heidi Songs. I don't know if it's Heidi or Heidi. And I absolutely love her products. It's multi-sensory. The kids are actively engaged. It's very catchy tunes that kind of stick with them, all about numbers, concepts, and all that stuff. So I'm actually purchasing, and let me show you. I purchased this through Vimeo, and it allows you to kind of rent it for a year-long period. However, if you go to her website, you can purchase it, and I guess that would have been the smarter thing to do, but I don't have time to wait for the CD to come in, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pay for the rental here. It's only $10 for an entire year, based on whenever it is that you purchase the rental. So for example, the reason why I remembered this is because we're getting into teen numbers, and sometimes it's a very tricky concept for my kids to kind of grasp. So these have very catchy tunes that they can remember, that I remember. So for example, for the number 11, it's like 11, 11, 11, 01, 01, I'm done. So little things like that to kind of help them remember what the numbers look like. So I purchased it, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. Just a quick little sneak peek. So as you can see here, please don't mind my mess, I've purchased the letters and sounds. So as you can see here, I've purchased the letters and sounds, the number jumble, and the sing and spell. And again, I apologize for this grand old mess that I have here. So let me take you into this one, give you a quick little preview. So this one has all of the numbers, but they do have just a 0 to 10 version. So for example, and the great thing is that So the great thing too is that if you're just looking for a particular one, it breaks it down for you. So jumping numbers 11 to 30, sing and spell. So this is kind of like a whole big bundle, and it tells you exactly at what point in the video you can see it. So I want to show you guys number 11 because that's the one that has stuck with me the most. What was it? And that is... 11, 11, 11, 01, 01, I'm done. This is 10 plus 2. So if I have 10 on the top, on the bottom, I need to put 2. 10 and 2 is 12. 8, 9, 10. Show me your flowers. Oh, Kathy, that looks beautiful. Are you listening well? Come here, come close, let me tell you. A heart. A heart! Can you make a heart with your Play-Doh? Go ahead and make a heart with your Play-Doh. 9, 10. Show me your hearts, kindergarten.
You are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Alright, so I just got back from Trader Joe's, did a little shopping with the snowstorm and stuff. I wasn't able to do a lot of food shopping, so I needed to go desperately. And you can tell that Trader Joe's wasn't as full as it normally is. I don't know what word it is I'm looking for. There wasn't a lot of variety. I think it has to do to the snowstorm, maybe their lack of staffing, the lack of kind of deliveries being made. But anyways, I didn't get anything crazy. I didn't get any, like, you know, Trader Joe's essentials. I got pretty much what I needed, and I'm gonna show you super quick what I got. So I did go with my husband, and he hardly ever goes with me just because of like our schedules and stuff, but he actually went with me and he picked something out which I wouldn't have picked out for myself. But I can't even get this out. They stuffed this so well in here. Okay. So he got the strawberry yogurt, and we're gonna try it and we're gonna see how it tastes. But yeah, this was his pick. Everything else, as you can see here, it's got a whole bunch of produce, lemons, limes, and if you, if you think that like Trader Joe's is expensive, it's really not. Honestly, these peppers were okay. So I spent, this is for both me and my husband, this is about, I've been starting to meal plan, which is I plan ahead what I'm gonna make. That way when I'm in the supermarket, I know exactly what to get, and that's been helping a lot as far as like not buying too much or, you know, forgetting to buy something. So for the both of us, Trader Joe's, I spent $95, and this is going to last us for this week and all of next week. So I think that's pretty good for 2 people. So I got like produce and stuff from there, eggs. Oh, this is heavy. I got eggs, some more veggies. This is very heavy, guys. Okay. So I also got these. If you haven't tried these are my absolute favorite. If you are from Central America or like any Hispanic country, you know what choco bananos are, and they are absolutely delicious. It is so if anyone on here is from like Central America, so if anybody watching this is from, if anyone watching this is from Central America, you'll know that choco bananos are the best thing ever. It's honestly just a banana dipped in chocolate, but it looks like a popsicle. So anyways, my mom makes them, and I absolutely love how she makes them, but since I'm not living at home, I haven't had them in a long time. But Trader Joe's has like their own version of it, gone bananas, and they are amazing. They're also the kind of thing where like if you have one, then you're gonna have 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're just gonna eat the whole box. But try these out, they're delicious. They also have this with strawberries, which I'm sure is gonna be sold out for Valentine's Day. You got your yogurts, berries, strawberries, bananas. I also got some crescent rolls from there. I need to fix this. This is like a little bit messy right now. So you got your bloops, blackberry, and I got some crescent rolls, which, okay, so here's the thing. It tastes delicious, but in comparison to like the Pillsbury brand, this is, at least for me, so hard to get open. But I'm gonna link below a recipe that I make with this, and it's super easy. If you're like me and you're just learning how to cook, if you're kind of like you want something quick and easy for breakfast, I'm gonna show you the best recipe. I'm gonna link it below, and it's pretty much just all you need is crescent rolls, eggs, bacon, or you can use like turkey or ham, salt, pepper, and green onions, and it's the easiest breakfast ever. So got some of these for that. Hey guys, so I wasn't able to film a lot this morning. My camera battery wasn't charged, but it's 11 and we're gonna start math in just a few seconds. What number do you see here?
10.
Very good, Marta. You see the number 10. And if I put one more, what number is that?
11.
11. 11. Oh, 1, I'm done. 11. Oh, 1, I'm done. If I have 10 and I put 2 more, what number is that? 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. Kiss your brain. Throw some glitter. Make it rain. All right, let's read the sentence. What does she have here?
El dibujo.
She
Que
drew
lo hizo su mamá.
She drew something for her mom. Ready? We're gonna put our finger on the word I. Put your finger on the word I. I draw for mom. Mom. And so let me get a sticker. I'm gonna use a smiley face because Christopher was smiling today. Is this the word for?
Yes.
That's the word What's missing?
F-R. I
Love learning math. Side.
I have fun with science.
I look very disheveled today, and it's because I woke up super late. I kind of had to rush, turn on my computer, get everything set. So it's just one of those Fridays. I'm happy it's Friday, made it through the week. But if you notice that I'm scrambling, it's because I'm just pulling through today. I see a.
Okay.
Now the word that we're going to write, the picture we're gonna make starts with the letter D. D. But now, if it starts with D, can I draw a fish?
No,
No.
that's what F.
That's F. What about a dinosaur?
Yeah.
Yeah! So we're going to draw a dinosaur today, but we're gonna write the word dinosaur. Ready? I'm gonna show you a trick. Everybody do this with me. Write the number 10 on your board. Everyone write the number 10. Now we're gonna do a magic trick. Everyone say abracadabra. And we're going to erase. We're gonna erase the number 0. Erase the 0. And we're gonna make 13. And 13 is 10 plus how many? What number is that?
13.
It is 13, you're right. So 13 is 10 and 3. So we're gonna put 1, 2, 3. All right guys, so this is a post-school day. Lorena, I've washed my hair. I don't look like a crazy person anymore. I just wanted to close out this video. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. I'm wishing you a very happy, safe, and exciting new school week. So until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye.